Ladies and gentlemen, today is an absolutely incredible day. Reason why is we have the newest Japanese Damascus Color by Ekster. This is the Cardholder Pro. Let's get this out. I've been waiting for the Japanese Damascus Color. It's absolutely incredible, and I'm going to look at it in person for the first time. But the color on the website looked amazing, and I'm sure this is not going to disappoint. All right, we have our little brochure right on the top. Let's get that out of the way. And you're like, Chris, that doesn't look like Japanese Damascus. Just wait, and you see beautiful, absolutely stunning matte black on the front. Now, this, as we're getting it out, before I do flip it around because you're not going to want to miss this, as we get into the video, if you want 10% off of this particular wallet or anything on Ekster's website, top link in the description box below, as well as the pinned comment, is going to be a direct link with a coupon code. Make sure you use the coupon code for 10% off whatever Ekster offers. Tech backpack, vacuum travel bags, wallets, anything linked in the description box and pinned comment. But make sure you watch the whole video first. Let's go ahead and get this out of the way. And ladies and gentlemen, we're going to flip that around to Japanese Damascus right there. How sweet is that? Look at the design all around there. We have E for Ekster right there with Japanese writing right here. Absolutely beautiful, as we can see. So you got your cash band, beautiful, beautiful matte black right here. We have a metal push button, RFID blocking technology, holds 1 to 14 cards. Of course, that is with the expansion plate here. On this side, white Ekster logo right here. That is a beautiful matte black color with that expansion plate in the Japanese Damascus right there. So let's go ahead and remove our temporary cards they give us inside, and let's go ahead and load this sucker up. So I got 6 cards right here. And what's awesome is, check this out. Blends in just beautifully with my key card. I don't like Bluetooth. I use the physical key card for my Tesla. So absolutely incredible. And this is what makes Ekster. Ekster is distributing your cards just like this here. Now, what I like to do is I like to use my most used card on the front, using the back of these, slipping it back in. And you don't want to be light with this. You want to give this thing a little bit of a go here. So, or your most used card on the back, just like this here. And so what I use once again is the backing of these cards, slipping it in, pushing it down, metal push button right here, flipping them out just beautifully. Of course, you can take them all out, fish through them if you want, put them all back in. But for stores, I like to use, again, my most used card on the front or back, or my key card, etc., as you can see right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the cash band. I just use one finger. I have 2 $20 bills folded in fourths, thirds, whatever that might be, and we have it right on the front right here. You can also put that underneath, which we will do right now. Put it underneath the expansion plate like that there. If you want to hide that, you can put more cards underneath there, cash, coupons. So that's the cash band. That's the expansion plate. Folks, that's an absolutely beautiful, beautiful color. I mean, just the black alone is gorgeous, but then you add that, just makes it even more. I mean, you have that on the table and people are like, what in the world is happening with that beautiful little thing right there? I'll tell you what, slapping your cards out, that wallet slaps. And having these wallets be so thin as well this is the one I've been using for a long time now. This is the orange color in the Cardholder Pro as well. I was actually road biking, had a flat tire, had my cards in my back jersey because this is so thin and light, and was able to pay for a tire repair so I could get home instead of walking like, oh gosh, probably like 3 or 4 miles or something like that. Again, this is the orange color, Japanese Damascus. I do have the Eclipse white color here as well, absolutely stunning, and the Cardholder Pro for MagSafe. So once again, if you want 10% off anything they offer, definitely check out the tech backpack like I keep mentioning. Top link in the description box below, as well as the pinned comment. Make sure you use that coupon code and enjoy your wallet, whatever you purchase. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, as well as tech related videos, DIY house projects, and more. My name's Chris. This is the Japanese Damascus wallet. You enjoy your day, and your links are below. I will see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.